Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Take Wisdom and welcome to another tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper on your desktop or laptop PC. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, right click anywhere on the desktop and select the Personalize option here. And after that, here under the background, you can see three options. If I expand this: picture, solid colors, and slideshow. The first option is picture. If I want to change any picture from here, just click it, and as you can see, my wallpaper is changed. I can choose anything, anything I like, and this will change immediately. And the second option is solid color, and by clicking it, you can see I have all the solid colors here. You can also customize the color. If I select this one, as you can see, my wallpaper is just a solid color. And the third option is an interesting option. Expand it again and select slideshow. And here you can see I can choose album for the slideshow. To choose the album, just simply select the browse option. And here if I want to just select and here if all the picture that I want to make my desktop wallpaper is here, just simply click that folder and select choose this folder. And you can also change picture in every 30 minutes, 10 minutes or 1 minute as you like. So you can also customize that too. So in this three way you can simply change your desktop background, or as you can say, wallpaper. So this is the video, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.